has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 15 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Wingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Riverside, Palmyra, Bordentown, Beverly, and Tullytown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 6 and 7A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 300 and 350, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 27 and 40, Interstate 295 in New Jersey mile markers 48 and 57. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, south central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 6:45 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations will experience flash flooding include Trenton, Manalapan, Ewing, Jamesburg, Cranberry, Allentown, Roosevelt, Windsor, Twin Rivers, Imleystown, and Edinburgh. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 8A, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 58 and 66, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 15. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. The following Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 4:30 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Brunswick, or near New Brunswick, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, side trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Sandy Hook, Edison, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Salem, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Carteret, Teton Falls, Holdall, Red Bank, Kingsburg, Potomac, Jamesburg, Highlands, Brownsville, and Yorktown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 12, Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 110 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear the thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive a vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Monmouth. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 374, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware, Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bloomington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. The following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 374 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north, Pools Island, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 5:15 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pleasant Plains or over Toms River, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Toms River, Lakewood, Jackson, Beechwood, Manna, Swan, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Heights, Lakehurst, Maniloki, Leisure Village, Allenwood, Dover Beaches North, Holiday City South, Pleasant Plains, Cedar Glen West, Leisure Village East, Dover Beaches South, Holiday City Berkeley, Ramstown, and Brick Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 31 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 78 and 98. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. To spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Monmouth and Ocean. The following Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Andalusia, or 10 miles northeast of Philadelphia, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Mount Laurel, Ewing, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Yonge, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Folcroft, Square, and Hightown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 8. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 346 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 338 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 295 New Jersey between mile markers 34 and 66. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 3 and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gap, 47 miles southeast of New Holland. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gap, 47 miles southeast of New Holland, moving town, Kennett Square, Parkersburg,
Flood advisory.
Honeybrook, Elverson, Holmville, Cochranville, Marshallton,
What the hell?
Chester Springs, Beyondville, Hutchinson, West Goshen, Malvern, Hanford, and South Gainesville. The national Pennsylvania Turnpike between miles 321. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania. National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Camden County in southern
Let's go
New
for
Jersey,
me.
southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Yonge, Palmyra, Center City, Kensington, South Philadelphia, Roxborough, and Morris Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 26. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 340 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey near mile marker 3. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 4. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Here is the official message.
Uh-oh. Not this. No!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:30 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen in spots. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area, as well as other flash flooding in warned areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chester, Yadden, Folcuff, Swarthmore,
You there?
Nether Providence Township, Chester Township, Philadelphia International Airport, Drexel Hill, Darby Township, and Tillamook Township. This includes the following
Shut up.
highways: Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 11. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 4. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. The following The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 7:45 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Barksdale or over Newark and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed
There's no
trees.
tornado.
Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted
Damn.
include Newark, Elton, Pleasant Hill, Cherry Hill, Blake, Barksdale, Fair Hill, Glen Westover, Andorra, Appleton, and Glasgow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Cecil, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey,
Wait, what?
southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Homeville to near Octoraro, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Another storm was developing near Newark and could potentially become severe as well. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Pennsville, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Oxford, West Grove, Newport, Arden, Homeville, Glenroy, Stanton, North Star, Glasgow, Bear, Toledo, and Wilmington Manor. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 1 and 23. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile
No.
markers 0 and
Is that
5.
Cecil?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest
Yes, it
floor of
is.
the building.
Doubleheader.
In addition to large hail and damage,
Alright,
frequent
doubleheader.
ground lightning is occurring with
You
these
guys are gonna
storms.
see for the first time what
Get
happens.
indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear
Doubleheader.
you are close enough to be struck by
It
lightning.
is for Cecil.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties:
link doesn't work.
Newcastle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, and Delaware.
Wait, why is there a tornado warning?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harford County in northern Maryland.
SVR!
Cecil County in northeastern Maryland.
Right now, right now.
Northeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rock Springs to Fallston to 8 miles north of Cockeysville, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Aberdeen, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Fallston, Riverside, Kingsville, Pleasant Hills, Durrettsville, Rising Sunshine, West Nottingham, Octoraro, Richardsmere, Woodlawn, Cornwingo, Rock Springs, Farmington, Pilesville, Port Deposit, Darlington, and Fort. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, Cecil, and Hartford. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 8:45 p.m.
Oh.
At 7:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles north of Delaware Grace to 8 nautical miles northwest of Gunpowder River, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Jersey Point, Pools Island, Spessooty Island, Gunpowder River, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. The following is a flash.
I'm recording.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harford County in northern Maryland, northeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, east central Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 8:15 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rising Sunshine to Pleasant Hills, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Shut up!
Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Elkton, Aberdeen, Delaware Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Bel Air South, Perry Hall, Riverside, Kingsville, Northeast, Pleasant Hills, Perryman, Charlestown, Zion, Blake, Barksdale, Fair Hill, Glen Westover, Bayview, and Lombard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, Cecil, and Hartford. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 9 p.m. 7:33 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located near Peapatch Island. The strong thunderstorm was merely stationary. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Peapatch Island, Stony Point, and Reedy Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Behind the scenes footage.
A severe thunderstorm warning. The following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch now in effect through late tonight. The flash flood watch is now in effect for portions of northern New Jersey and northwest New Jersey, including the following areas in northern New Jersey: Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. In northwest New Jersey, Hunterdon. Through late tonight, a near stationary frontal boundary combined with a hot and humid air mass will cause one or more rounds of thunderstorms with heavy rain to affect the area from this afternoon into tonight. Rainfall amounts could be highly variable, but a general 1 to 3 inches of rain with locally higher amounts is possible through tonight. Heavy rain in a short time may cause streams and creeks to rise quickly out of their banks. There is also the potential for flash flooding across more urbanized areas and those areas with poor drainage. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here is the regional weather forecast.